Hi guys, today I'll show you how to make this easy and simple Valentine's Day decoration basket. The things that you'll need for this project include some floral foam, a basket, roses, and some baby's breath. So the first thing that I'm going to do is take the basket liner that comes with the basket and cut it according to size. So I'm just going to mark it here and cut it. So I've just marked it here. That's how much I need, and I'm just gonna cut it with a knife. Just like that. I've just cut the foam a little bit more so it's a little bit thinner in terms of the width, and I'm just gonna place that in. Yep, and that's perfect. Next, what we're going to do is just cut the roses and put them on the floral foam. Once you have all the roses cut from the bunch, the easiest way to cut them would be through wire cutters because they have 2 wires or so in it, but a scissor will work as well. It'll just take a little bit longer, and after you were done cutting them, just arrange however you want to in the basket. And you can cut more. I just cut from the same length. If I want to cut them a little bit more smaller, I will do that, but for now I just want to keep it as is. So the first one will be, I want to do it the highest one, so I'm going to place that in the center. I think I'm gonna have to cut it, and then you can just go all around and put it in the basket. So let me just do that and I'll show you what it looks like after it's done. So another way to decide how much the length should be of the flower without actually cutting it first is you can just turn it like this and just put it in and see how it will fit. So I want it a little bit shorter because I want the middle flower to be a little bit longer than the rest of them. So I'll cut just like a centimeter above where it's currently turned. So is that a centimeter? I don't know, but basically here is where I would want it. So just press the scissors hard and then it kind of just pops off. Almost there. I don't have any cutter wires right now, that's why I have to cut it with the scissors. There we go. So I'm keeping the leaves because I like the leaves, the look of the leaves, and I'm just going to position it and put it right there, just like that. You don't have to go all the way into the foam, You can just go a little bit because it will keep it tight and it won't move. Okay, and I'm just going to do the rest with these flowers, and I'll show you what it looks like once I'm done. So that's what it looks like once I've just arranged it how I want it. But to add some more color and dimension to the basket, I'm just gonna add some baby's breath. I think it'll look really nice, so I'll show you once I put that in. And that's what it looks like once it's all done and the baby's breaths are in. I think it looks really nice. In terms of how much to cut the roses and the baby's breath, that depends on how big you want the stems to be or how short you want them to be. And I'll put a link down below where I found everything from. Most of it was from Michael's, just the floral foam that was from the dollar store. Thank you so much for watching my video today. If you liked it, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for my next video.